Welcome to Accelerated Math 106, Module 1.7, Exponents and Order of Operations of Whole Numbers. So in this lecture video, I'm going to introduce very basic identifying the base and exponent in an exponential notation. So as you can recall, exponent is simply referring to multiply itself so many times. So if I have 3 to the fourth power, the fourth power on the exponent means my base 3 will time itself 4 times. So 3 is the base, 4 is called the exponent. And I'm going to go ahead and introduce this. The reason why we know 3 is the base because the exponent 4 is actually sitting on top of the base. Okay, just like a basement. To know that floor is a basement because you know right above it is the first floor. So that changing our perspective on how to look at exponents, because you need to see the exponent first in order to know what the base is. So that concept alone can definitely help out with other module in Math 108 if you got to take that class. All right, so let's take a look. In the following expression, identify the base and the exponent. So the exponent is on top of the base. So 8 is the base, and the 5 is the exponent, because the exponent is always on top of the base. Use the definition of an exponent to write the given product in exponential forms. So by now you probably noticed on the homework there is a keypad. Every answer you enter in the box on the top right hand corner, there is a keypad. So you can click on the keypad, and the first one on the top left is the ones referring to exponents. So if you ever have questions, please contact your instructor, let your instructor know how to key in exponents. So I see 2 times itself 2 times, continue to multiply, 3 times itself 3 times, and 5 times itself 3 times. So this is how we will write it as an exponential form. Right, same thing here. Gotta be careful. I normally like to start with smaller numbers. So this problem, they got numbers everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 of them 3s being multiplied. So that will be 3 to the fourth power times. I only see 1 5 right here. Times I see 1, 2, 3 7s being multiplied. Right, so the answer is 3 to the fourth times 5 times 7 to the third. Use a definite exponent to write the given product of exponential expression as a product without using exponents. So this problem is just opposite of the previous two. We need to write them all out. So 3 to the third means 3 times itself 3 times. And 7 means 7 to the first power. And in the next video, I will show you with the rules. Times 11 to the fourth power means 11 times itself 4 times. Okay. All right. Rewrite the following integer as a base and exponent without using the exponent of 1. So what that means is a 36, if you know your multiplication table pretty good, you know that is 6 times 6, which means 6 to the second power. All right, that's the quickest way of doing this. For 144 is actually 12 times 12. So 12 times itself 2 times, so that will be 12 square. Okay, so there's actually other type of answer here, but I do not think the homework is asking for don't think the homework is asking for breaking down the 12 and the 12 or the 6 and the 6 up here. So if that, when you do the homework, if this is not quite what the homework is looking for, please let Mr. Chan know or let your instructor know. All right, that will conclude this lecture video on writing exponents and use the definition exponent writing as a product. All right, thank you for watching.